Welcome to 3P360 training. In this video, we're going to discuss the second way to add product to 3P360 via CSV upload. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to Add a Product, Download. A new page will pop up. In this page, you'll see all the instructions and explanations for the CSV file. I would take a chance to read this, get familiar with the fields and what they do, how they work. I'll also be explaining some of those fields in this video. After the new window is opened, go over to the right and click Download CSV. This is the blank import template that you're going to enter all the information for your products and upload to 3P360. Now let's go ahead and open up our import template and we'll maximize it. And we're going to go ahead and expand these columns so you can see the full name of them. In this file, you can see all the different headers for all the different fields that we need to complete. This file is very extensive and you can add a lot of information for your products. But for the sake of this training video, we're just going to go ahead and run through the fields that are required to upload a product. Everything else is optional. Now the required fields you can tell are required because they already have a sample product set up below it. For this video we're going to change this sample product to one of our products and then complete the upload. Now the first field is command. When adding a new product, the command will always be add. Next to it we have the product name. This is going to be the name of our product. For this sample product we're going to call it lab coat. The next field is variant name. This is the variant for the product that you just created. For this one, we're going to make it lab coat small. The next field is SKU. Here you're going to input your product SKU. For this sample product, we're going to make the SKU LC1. The next field is UPC or EAN, which is a 12 or 13 digit numeric code. If you do not have a UPC or EAN assigned to your product, you can go ahead and enter the SKU as the UPC. For this sample product, we're going to make the UPC the same as the SKU. And next you have product code. This is a unique 10-digit code generated by you, starting with the first two letters of your company name, followed by 8 numeric digits. So for this one, we're going to make it LF, followed by 8 numeric digits. So for this one, we made it LF1 with 7 zeros after it. After that, we have the category field. To see all of the acceptable categories for the upload, you can go back to the page explaining all of the CSV fields. For this sample product, we're going to put it in the category Industrial and Scientific. And lastly, we have the brand. This is where you're going to put in the brand of your product. And these are all the fields that are required to upload a product via CSV upload. So now we've set up our first product. In this Excel file, you can set up multiple products. So for this, let's go ahead and set up a new product and a new variant. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop some of these fields. We're going to make it another lab coat. And then we're going to make the new variant, instead of being a small lab coat, it's a medium lab coat. We also have our SKU and UPC. And now we also have our product code. Since this product is actually a variant of an already existing product, say the product name is the same but the variant is different, small and medium, this can actually share the exact same product code because it's the same product, just a different variant. Now if we were to make a completely new product, we would want to make a new product code. And now we'll go over to our category and our brand and make them the same as the original product we set up. So now you can see we just added a new variant to an already existing product for the lab coat. Let's say we have another lab coat that's a different color. So for this, we'll go ahead and we'll make add. Let's say this is a blue lab coat. Our variant name will be blue lab coat small. Our SKU will make BLC1. This one, let's say, actually already has a UPC, so we're going to enter in the 12-digit UPC code. And now after entering the UPC, you're going to want to format the cells in this column so that way it can read the number without any decimal places. This will make it so that the file is readable when you go to upload. And now, since it's a new product, we're going to set up a new product code. And over here for category and brand, we're going to make those the same as the other product. And this is all that you need to upload new products into 3P360 via CSV upload. Now, since we're done with our file, we're going to go over to File, Save As, and hit Save. Now, after you've saved the file, you can go back over to 3P360, go to Add a Product, Import, select your file, and now you can go over and hit refresh, and it should tell you the status of your upload. If everything was correct within the file, your file will upload and it will show a status of success. If there were any issues with the file, it would show a status of failed. Since this file upload was successful, we'll go over to products, and now you can see the two new products that we created in the CSV upload, and you can also see the variant to the first product.